Hey everybody! I'm here today to show you and tell you how to change a Vileda Mop head. This will be a full tutorial for absolute beginners, so let's get right into this instructional video. Once again, the topic and title of this video will be the following. I'll be showing you and telling you specifically how to change a Vileda Mop head. And this will be a full tutorial for absolute beginners, so let's get right into this video. As you can see right here, I have a Vileda Mop. I believe this is the Vileda Easy Ring Mop, if I remember correctly, but I could be wrong about that. But basically, I have a Vileda Mop, and your Vileda Mop, whether it's this one or something similar by Vileda, is probably going to use a similar process for changing the mop head. Okay, really easy to do and really convenient because you can wash the mop head separately from the handle, which makes it easier to clean, and also you can replace it with a brand new mop head without having to buy a whole new mop handle and sort of setup, right? So it's really convenient, really easy to do. So check this out. I'm going to tell you two ways to do it. The first method is sort of in the air, freestanding as I like to call it. You just want to grab the mop head, make sure it's clean. You don't want to get your hands all filthy. Grab the mop head and pull it out. Give it a good amount of force. I have the mop head with this hand and I have the handle in this hand, and essentially I'm going to grab the mop head with this hand and pull it away from the handle in this hand, just like this, okay? As you can see, I've removed the mop head. I can then get a new mop head or wash it and use the same old one, whatever the case is, and I can replace it by installing it back on. So it's a triangle format right here. Essentially, I just want to take that triangle format, match it up with the triangle format over here, just like this, and I'm just going to go ahead and I'm going to get it in place and give it a good firm push. When you hear it click, you should be good to go, and you can give it a gentle tug just to make sure that it's in place. Now the other method is, I'm just going to tell you how to do it, I won't show you, but you're going to remove it, as I said. Then what you can do is place the new mop head on the floor with this part face up, and you can take your handle and just get it on top and just press down against the floor. That's another way of doing it, and you won't have to get your hands as dirty using that method, okay? But that's essentially it. Really easy to do, and I've shown you exactly how to do it in this video tutorial. Hopefully you enjoyed it. If you like this video tutorial, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.